Buckle up, because belts just got better. With Core Essentials, the perfect fit every time. With 40+ sizing positions, styles for any situation. Whether in the boardroom crushing sales and taking names, on your next adventure, in the great outdoors, or when you're done for the day and ready to relax. Get your perfect fit with Core Essentials.
This is the classic slide belt, and in my opinion, the best feature is the small increments of adjustability when it comes to tightening or loosening your belt. This is accomplished through this unique ridge form mechanism that sits on the inside of the belt. You can then throw this into the belt buckle and tighten or loosen to your heart's content. Now you may be asking, how do you make sure that your belt will actually fit you? Well, that's easy. You take a pair of scissors, you cut it to size, you throw it into the belt, you clasp it shut, and you're done. It's that easy.
This is the sound of Nexbelt Ratchet Belt. The most comfortable belt you can own because it adjusts in 1/4-inch increments. This is the sound of a regular ratchet belt. Sounds the same, but what you can see is the difference in the quality of the Nexbelts. For example, we use stainless steel screws to hold the buckle assemblies together, like you would find on a luxury watch. Others use pins, which can back out over time. Nexbelt has the largest collection of ratchet belts for men or women online. From golf to dress belts to EDC, we have your waist covered.